Welcome to the pit stop for air compressors, where we turbocharge these workhorses back to their racing best. Let's kick off with a pro tip. Always keep those vents and grates cleaner than a showroom windshield. Dirt in the vents? That's like drag on a race car, slowing you down by making your compressor push harder than a rally driver on the final lap. Oil filter changes every 6 months? Non-negotiable. It's the oil change your compressor craves to keep its engine purring like a luxury coupe. But careful, that filter can be hotter than the hood of a car in the summer sun. And sometimes the stem can stick to the old filter. If this happens, use a wrench to twist it off. It might be a bit stubborn, like a jammed gear stick. Return the stem to the air compressor and screw it back in. You can now safely resume the servicing. Got a heavy-duty player like the FS Curtis 150 horsepower? Double the filters, double the fun, and double the duty to keep it running smooth. It's like having a twin-turbo setup. You need everything clean and clear to let that power loose. Always go for the premium factory-recommended replacements. Think high-octane fuel for your muscle car, not regular unleaded. And changing the air filter. It's as crucial as replacing the air intakes on a speedster. A choked up filter is like trying to win a race with a blocked exhaust. Just not going to happen. Think of your air compressor as a high-octane sports car fresh out of the garage. All tuned up? Hit the reset on the control panel. That's your green light on the track, signaling a roaring comeback to top form. And there you go. Your compressor is now tuned, oiled, and ready to take pole position. In just a blink, you're back in the race, engine humming and ready to lap the competition. Want to keep your powerhouse in pole position this summer? Call H&K Pump today for a service that's quicker than a pit stop.